The Farmstand Forecast looks at the trends and fringe activities that are happening today in food production and different kinds of products that we're seeing on the market. In the same way that trend forecasting happens a lot in the fashion industries, pointing towards what we might see more of in the future. There are 5 sections in the Farmstand Forecast: protein futures, hype cycle, databases of taste, designer produce, and eco-opportunism. The eco-opportunism section looks at how the environments around us are changing. Will this upend the traditional wine industry as we know it? And what are the changes that are happening in that industry based on climate change? Ash dieback is running rampant throughout the country and killing off all of these trees. You know, where are these materials for this old cultural tradition going to come from?
We're showing legumes for the United Nations International Year of Legumes 2016. We're looking at insects and how, after having been promoted for a while as an alternative to meat in Europe, are now being more and more designed and integrated into processed food products.
There's a number of researchers calling this process health by stealth. They're saying, well, where people are already consuming ready meals and processed foods, what if we just reformulate them to have a bit less meat and to have the same nutritional value or even better, but have the same taste that people are used to? Because the thought there is that it's a lot easier to change the formula than it is to change people's behavioral patterns.
So Mycotexture Brick Wall is by the artist Phil Ross, who's investigated the material properties of fungi. So these mushroom bricks that you see behind me were grown by him, and they're part of ongoing research to see if he can create materials that can be used for building or packaging and are also easy to dispose of at the end of their life.
Every week there'll be a different special on which people can try out and taste, and that will happen at this bicycle that you can see here.
Some of the things people might be tasting include the world's 3rd hottest chili pepper, Soylent 2.0, chlorella chips, and a number of other unusual products that they probably have never eaten before.